Hey, what's up YouTube? Faded King 951 here, and I'm about to do Fort Honor 500 gram 9 on a board by Alien Fireworks. This is it right here. It's pretty big. I'm not gonna, so look at my hand right here. Let me see if I can open it real fast. See the diameter. Those are some huge, I think those are like 3-inch, it's called tubes. So yeah, let's get to it. Damn. Beautiful. Really high too, damn, look at that. Damn. A lot of reports, but damn. Perfect circles, that's what's up. Hell yeah. Sick, look at that spread. Hell yeah, I should have had a lot of spread. Comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you guys think.